I'm so excited to show you a new math strategy today, friends. We're going to use a math strategy to help us with subtraction word problems. I'm going to use my number sentence, a number bond, and a math drawing. Here's my number bond ready to get started. So my whole number today is 6 in my story. I started with 6. I'm going to take 5 away. And in my number bond, I want to make sure that I always show the one that is being taken away. So if I'm taking 5 away, I want to make sure I cross it off in my number bond. That way in my math drawing, I remember. That's going to leave 1 left. So earlier we talked about math drawings being quick and simple. Here are my circles. And they're also in the 5 group way. I have a row of 5 and one more below, 6. So I want you to listen to my story. And what we're going to do is we're going to circle the part we know. I had 6 baseballs. 5 of them rolled away. How many are left? Well, I have my 6 baseballs. 5 of them rolled away. So a strategy I want you to use in your math drawing is to circle the part that we know. We know 5 rolled away. So I circled all 5 of them that rolled away. Now, I'm going to cross those 5 off. Remember back in my number bond over here, friends? I crossed 5 off. How many baseballs do I have left? Well, now in my picture, I can clearly see 1. When you're solving subtraction word problems, I want you to try this strategy with your math drawing. Circle the part you know, cross it off because it's being taken away. On your number bond, remember to cross off the number that is being taken away. This will help you clearly see how many are left.